Good job, Holly. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Grab this big one up here. Grab a hold of this big rock. That piece right there. Yeah, no more rope grabbing. Come on. Yeah. Right in here.
Good job, Holly.
Yeah.
Good girl. Oh, Holly, I'm so proud of you. Good girl. Push, push.
Come on.
Come on. Good girl. Good job, Holly. Yeah, you rock.
Yeah, baby. High five. High five, baby cake. Yeah. Yeah.
Mama, can I?
Okay, here. You're rebelling.
Yeah.
Good job.
You're doing.
Baby cakes, you're gonna love. Okay, baby cakes, hey. You're gonna climb all the way up here? Oh my goodness. You better record this whole thing. This is radical. Oh my goodness.
Don't worry about the bug. It's okay.
She's climbing, she's in the zone.
Good. Look at her go. Good job, Holly.
Come on, no rope. No rope, no rope. No rope, honey. No rope. No.
Like we did the other day.
Like the other day. No, you gotta try and climb it. Try to climb it, honey. Stand there. Put your feet on. You want me to pull you up? Good one. That's a good one. Oh, almost. Here, I'll give you help. Grab it. Grab the notch. You like that? Now put your feet on. Look down. Look down. There's a big foothold for Mommy. Mommy, show her the foothold. Over to the right.
Here.
Right there. Yeah. You got the notch. Here's another notch. Right here. Grab it. Yeah. She's crimping. Yeah, baby. Grab it. She's crimping. Up. Where? Up here? Here's a little baby crimper notch. There's a crimper notch.
Good job.
She's too baby crimping. Good job. Yeah. Throw your foot over here. That's it. That's it. Grab the top. Come on. Good job.
Good job.
Yeah.
Can I see?
Yeah.